At the Financial Marketers Dealers Quotation OTC launch, I'm here with Dr. Okoyemi Agbaje, one of Nigeria's strategic financial analysts. It's great to have you, sir.
My pleasure, thank you.
What's your take on the launch of the FMDQ OTC?
It's an important development. It represents another advancement towards further deepening the Nigerian financial market, providing an organized, sophisticated mechanism for trading. Otherwise, what would have been interbank transactions in bonds, in derivatives, in other form of financial instruments is an opportunity to further expand access and the sophistication and the depth of financial markets. And this is particularly important because of the capacity for the bond market to finance infrastructure, to finance long-term capital, to finance housing, power, and all of those things that we look forward to further expand the Nigerian economy. So FMDQ OTC is another step. We had the NASD OTC more recently as well for equities. We had a series of financial market reforms, and this is another significant step.
So post-2008 financial crisis, you're optimistic that this will rejuvenate the Nigerian financial market and reposition it to be globally competitive?
Exactly. The point is globally competitiveness. But the other reason I'm a bit pleased with this is that if we didn't set up an organized structure for trading these complex financial instruments, arbitrary markets would develop, unregulated markets would develop, and risk management may suffer, and we would therefore be more exposed to the risks, some of the risks that led to the global financial market. We've had a lot of talk about risk management, about transparency, about market integrity. So doing this in this cautious, sophisticated, organized way ensures that at least we mitigate some of the dangers of complex derivatives and unregulated financial markets.
FMDQ is very important to the market because, as you were told, it's bringing together the listing. You know, it's an exchange, OTC market, and then exchange of securities. Financial markets will benefit from it. It's a financial market too, and they are going to have a market that is more transparent now. It's going to be liquid. One of the advantages we're told is that now the markets is coming together. You don't have the segregations anymore of money markets, capital markets, doing things separately. So the market is going to be more efficient than what we had seen before. And in terms of trading, it's going to be, the trading is going to be more efficiently done. We're going to get data and a host of other advantages that it brings to the economy.
So how is it going to rub off generally now on the monetary policies?
From the central bank point of view, you know, monetary policy is implemented. The channel for implementation of monetary policy is financial markets. And if the market is efficient, implementation of monetary policy will be efficiently done. And everyone will benefit from it. We have been talking, for instance, of trying to channel credits to the real sector. The efficiency with which these financial markets operate rub off on the way we are then able to implement whatever policies we have. So we're all looking forward to it starting. It's a milestone today. And as I said, the financial markets, the economy, and everyone will benefit from it operating.
As a self-regulated entity, that's the FMDC, what will the CBN's role in improving regulations?
We are looking, it's self-regulating, but that doesn't mean that we hands off and we don't look at it at all. It only makes it easier to be able to know that they will regulate themselves, but we will always be looking at, over their shoulders to make sure that they are doing the right things. But we are confident that they will be able to, the regulation, implementing and then keeping with regulation will not be a problem.
Issues being raised and resonating over the FMDC OTC launch is that it will bring a synergy between the money and the capital market. What does that mean for the NSE, considering the fact that it's also having a very ambitious goal of the $1 trillion cap?
We think it makes our ability to meet that target a little easier because that target covers all of our asset classes that we list. As you know, we list all the bonds in Nigeria today. We've also introduced a retail bond market. The FMDQ OTC market is more institutional. So we see synergies between the retail and institutional markets in driving the discovery of prices. And so we believe that it makes our jobs easier if we can have a robust secondary market across the entire spectrum. And so we hope that as we continue to collaborate with FMDQ OTC, as you know, we're an investor and we also sit on the board of FMDQ. So we really see a lot of synergies there that will help us drive a more robust, more efficient capital market and a deeper pool of liquidity for investors that want to access the Nigerian markets.